never wrong. You pulled me close when I was leaving, then disappeared before the fall. I learned to live inside your navy, to read the silence in your eyes. I kept on calling it devotion, while every part of me went quiet. Then one day I stopped believing that your answer had to come. I left the door open behind me and walked toward the morning.